Now let's talk about extensions. So for that, I will just simply go to object snap drop down. I'll click on that and I will make sure that this one is turned on. So I've just simply turned that on. Now after that, for using that extension, you don't need any kind of command. So what extension will do is it will simply extend your existing geometry. So for that, if I click on that, let me just simply click on that, and with the help of this, you can actually extend your geometry like this. And you can see that if you are doing that, you will get this extension option as well. It will show you extension 5.90, 6.00. So you can see as I'm taking my mouse cursor away from that point, you can see that I'm extending that line. Also, if you take a mouse cursor away from that extension line, you won't be able to see that extension. It means that you were changing the orientation of the line, as well as you are changing, you are increasing the length as well, you can see. But if your only sole purpose is to extend a line in that same direction, in that case you need to make sure that you are getting this extension box like this. Now you can do the same thing for this arc as well. You can click on the arc and you will get this extension as well. You can see that I'm getting that extension. To make sure that you're just following the parts of that, in that case only you can make sure that you are just simply extending the part of this arc. You are not changing the shape of this arc. So after that you just simply need to click there. Now let's talk about another one. So next we have with this insertion. So we will talk about that one later. Let's talk about this perpendicular. So let me just simply turn that on. And for that, with the help of this, you can actually draw a perpendicular line on that. So you can draw a perpendicular line on this one, on this line. You can see, let me just simply press escape. Let me use that line command. You can see with the help of this, you can actually draw a perpendicular line on this line. If you want to draw a perpendicular line on circle, you can do the same thing here as well. You just simply need to click here, and then after that you will get this perpendicular symbol. Simply press space escape. Again I'm going to use the same command. So you can also make the perpendicular line on this spline as well. So you can see if I click here, now with the help of this I can actually make a perpendicular line on that one. You can see this is a perpendicular line on that spline, you can see here. So this is how you can create a perpendicular line on this line, circle, or in a spline.